Let's hope the rain stays away. You ready?
Are you going left or right?
We're going to go and see if Kennedy's down there. I don't think he will be. Is he? Where? That would make my day if we saw him. Where is it? I can't see the stand. Where's the stand? Oh, is he? I thought there was another stand down there to the right. We've seen Kennedy. And now should we use one of our VIP passes?
Yeah, it's starting to rain, I think.
Yeah, let's go for it. Lou, you up for Tower of Terror?
Sure.
Excellent. For you. Studios for the evening. We stayed in the car whilst it poured with rain, and we have just ridden Tower of Terror.
On Star Wars now?
Yes, Star Tours.
Let's go.
Is it raining?
No.
No, it's still dry. Whilst it's dry, should we head straight down to Star Tours?
Also, don't forget we've got a few things we could do over there, couldn't we?
And also, if it pours down on the way through, we can just pop into a shop.
Character me.
I was going to say, what's the queue for Olaf?
Oh, there's some pennies here.
Holly did these ones the other day. Yeah, the sky looks quite dark, doesn't it? We haven't done an early morning here yet this year, have we, actually?
No.
I quite like that, getting coffee and when the residents are out. Yeah, we have to do that next time. Do you agree? Can't do everything every trip, can you?
No, totally agree.
Okay. Star Tours around to the right. I was just saying to Aid, one of my favourite evenings last year was coming here for dinner at the Mickey's Minnie's Dine thingy. Go around this way. And then doing the Star Wars character meets.
Now as well.
Okay.
He's only a few short, I think.
And then watching the fireworks and walking back to Beach Club.
Yes.
No, this is something else now. Oh yeah, you can go this way. Yeah, let everyone else is coming. 10 minutes, Lou. Are you excited?
Yeah. Why is it called Celebrity Spotlight when it's always over?
Don't know, because he's the celebrity.
Where's to meet them anyway?
Are you ready? Oh, Holly, that was so sweet. He loved your snowflake dress. Right, we're doing Star Tours. There's only a 5-minute standby queue, so we're going to do the standby and then use our fast pass.
Contact your travel agent today.
Will the owner of the red and black Sarasup land speeder, vehicle ID THX1138, please return to your craft. Thank you.
Usually the mom is like looking at.
Oh, that's so sweet. We're seeing all the wildlife today. We've got a Disney dove. It's because they're all out trying to get their food before bedtime, aren't they? We've seen so much wildlife today. It's the way they just stop and eat, isn't it? Ooh.
I'm Laura, and we had a great day of entertainment at the studios as
But now we must close.
galaxies far, far away to some of our favorite moments right on the silver screen. And more of the best is yet to come. Check your time slot for venues and showtimes.
I loved this meal here last year.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Yeah, I would do that again. Aid?
I'd do that one again.
It felt, I think coming later as well, it feels really relaxed when everyone starts going.
It didn't feel like you.
It didn't feel like crappy processed food. Yeah. Yeah, I really enjoyed it here too. Sorry? Didn't we?
I didn't.
Where were you?
I don't know. When you came in.
Oh, I don't remember. There seems to be a lot more pressed button ones, doesn't there?
I prefer turning it.
I know you do. Are we ready for our rock and roll fast passes? It's been quite a nice chilled evening actually, hasn't it? Just stopping and taking photos. I think the difference is, well, the temperature's really dropped.
Makes it so much easier.
It really, really does. We lost Aid again.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to this one. I think this might be my new favourite ride in Disney. The wait time for this was 60, wasn't it? I don't, what, for Fast Pass? I don't know. What's the time now? 20 past 7? I don't know, let's wait and see. 25 past 7. Okay. Looks quite long. It's not too bad. Might not be too long. Maybe 10 minutes? Which one have you gone for?
That one.
Oh, the rock and roll. I think that's my new favourite ride. Yeah, looks like that's what we're doing.
Oh, they're getting the block already.
I don't know, the kids do, thank you.
Yeah, well, maybe it was wondering if we're on the dark side or the light side. Looks like we have a bit of both on our shirts here. Are you on the dark side or light?
Oh, no,
Light side. Or what's a balance? He says a little bit of balance. Yeah, he says you can put your arm around it.
Scan for our records.
Right over here, shoulders. Okay, right here.
Alright,
Okay, good.
Oh, they took the coming.
Buddy. Okay. Perfect.
Hands, arms, feet, legs, springs, and paws inside the vehicle. And keep an eye on your little toys. Bienvenidos, our Slinky dog daddy. Por favor.
This is how slow it goes over the top, isn't it? No, it doesn't, I agree. Oh, there it goes. I didn't go back over there. That's Slinky. Ah, yeah. We need to put our photos like that's so cool.
That detail, look, they've even put HB2.
Oh yeah, on the pencil, HB2. Oh, is it coming? There we go. It's just such a smooth ride, isn't it?
Yeah.
I was just on there the whole time thinking this is so much better than I expected. It's so cool. I love the fact that you can see Hollywood Tower in the background. The lights are really cool as well. Well, who's got stickers? Did you want a sticker? A lady's got one. Go on, Lou. Would you like, are you sure? Do you want me to get you one, Lou? Lou, I know you like a sticker.
I don't even know what the sticker was.
I'm sure it's a Toy Story
It would
sticker.
have been really, no, I don't really like Buzz Lightyear.
Okay.
The only one I would have accepted.
I'm surprised Aid didn't get one. Does Aid not know? Oh, it's Buzz.
Big queue though.
It's a big kid. We've met Buzz before, haven't we? I'm glad we came here at night. I think it's better at night. We lost Aid. Oh, he's over there. It's difficult. You can't really stop when it's busy, can you? Yeah. I like coming through here. It's sort of.
You know what I mean? I know this is run through here, but if there was actual good, which is...
Opened in the 50s.
What's that?
Disneyland, California.
Yeah. Is that how old the park is in California?
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't realise that.
That's the year that Grandad was born. I hope they never get rid of this area.
Very disrespectful.
Yeah. Aids just wondered if the actual font comes from Walt's writing or in a sort of like an adaptation of his writing. Or just generally, you know, the W, and it's quite a particular specific font, isn't it? Louis, did you know that's the first movie I ever saw in the cinema? Snow White.
Oh look, see that?
No, the Thanks, Lou. You are hilarious. The Disneyland castle. It looks pretty, doesn't it?
Yeah. Lisa, I'm just going to go to the restroom over there.
Okay.
Are they open?
Yeah, they're open. It's a bit quiet in here. It says it's open till 10 and it's just after 9. You ready? Looks a bit deserted, doesn't it?
It's nice. Eating that up.
Yeah. I hope that the aircon isn't too cold. Almost feels like we shouldn't be around here, doesn't it? Doesn't seem right having an alcoholic drink somewhere like this. We're sitting in a very, very empty Backward Express with 10-piece chicken nugget meal and my absolute favourite chili cheese in the form of a hot dog. I'll pour the cheese on. And we've got 2 fountain drinks coming, and that came to $30. Despite being cold, the food, it was actually rather yummy. So we go and see if it's raining, and see if we can find our spot for the fireworks. I've never seen it do anything before, have you?
No.
It's gonna shoot aid.
Well, let's hope so.
It's not very nice, is it, Holly? Just imagine if it actually started walking.
Guys,
Yeah.
Tower of Terror is 5 minutes away.
Is it?
We have time.
It's a nice place to be at night, actually, isn't it?
We've never done this.
Yeah, me
Like
too.
for an easy day tomorrow.
Yeah, me too.
I don't want to be charging around.
Like the stormtroopers.
More likely with their kids on their shoulder.
Or an iPad. They're cool, aren't they? Yeah. We sit at the front. I do think this bench, bench is the best spot for the fireworks.
Pretty pretty, isn't it?
It's pretty. Little Pluto up there wagging his tail.
Oh that earlier.
Yeah? That was a really, really fun evening in Hollywood Studios. Come back to our room, and as we're on club level, there is a turn down service. All our pillows have been made all fancy. We've got the remote control tucked in there, and we have got some Ghirardelli milk chocolates. That's very sweet. I've got a little note, and the kids have got the same too. And we've also got a little itinerary of what we've got planned tomorrow, just information. We've got some weather information too. Just really, really sweet, and just some little tips. And we also had some bits and pieces on the bed here as well. I haven't properly looked through this, but it's all very nice. And that's our view at night time.